everyone, this is Nick Lawson with cdc-TakeCharge services. Today we're going to talk about building a contact database application in Alpha software. What you see on the screen in front of you is a application that Alpha software provides freely for customers that have purchased version 10 of their software. It's a very simple, bare bones application, and what we're going to discuss over the next several videos is how to take and build this into a robust contact application with email support, better web interface, smart buttons, a more sophisticated tab form, etc. Let's take a quick look at what they provide as their basic application. When it opens up, basically what you see is this. It's a navigation bar. They have three buttons on the top, which is people information, show items, and overdue items. They have an exit button and they have a time clock feature. Now, all that's okay, but notice that the application itself, and I've got it in a window, if it's open full screen, you have a tremendous amount of blue space or background for the Alpha software application that's basically wasted space. Now, when you select a option, it pops up a subform, and that subform can be moved around within the window, but again, you have a tremendous amount of wasted space. That's not professional looking, and it doesn't really make an application that people may necessarily want to use. One thing that I always try to take and stress is that an application that you build not only has to be functional, but it has to be attractive. People look at things and they evaluate things by the way they look and how they feel. And applications have a feel that just as well as hard objects do. How the buttons are laid out, what happens when you click on them, how many steps you have to go through to get the information you want. All that stuff takes and makes an application something that your customers would want to buy. So, we've opened up the main button, which is people. Now, while we're here, we can say we want to see our items instead of people, and we click on show items, and basically it hides the people form and puts the show items form on. We can also print a report. It's the only report that they have in here, which is a overdue items report. So we click OK, and it pops up in a preview, and there it is. So as you can see, very basic program. You can do a few other things. You can take and add a new contact, so it pops up a contact form, and we can cancel those changes. We can take the existing contact, and we can take and open up a ActiveX Google map that shows where that address is. Alright. We can put additional information in, and we can take and look at contact history, and then of course there are different contact types. We have a Rolodex button or multi-state button that allows you to sort your list by buttons. Now there's none there. In fact, there doesn't appear to be a whole lot of them in here. And you have an all button, which shows all. Pretty much that's it. So what we'll be discussing is how to take and again jazz this application up so that it's something that if you wanted to sell it, you could, and there would probably be people that would be willing to buy it. So stay tuned. Look forward to each successive video that will be presented, and have yourself a great day. Thank you.